You all been asking what have we been doing and how was Melissa. Well, these towels you see here are what we use to block the water coming down our window. The carpets are also, yeah, very wet. Yes, Melissa impact all of us. We have damaged drums and yes. So, my native people, this is a message for you to let you know that you're tougher. By the way, see the camera there? I was not planning to record this, so I was not even prepared. See my fingers in the camera for the first time. However, yeah, this is us carrying the carpets that was wet. Yes, man, water come in our room. We sweep out some with the broom, even though it was a concrete structure. So I'm saying to you, message to my native people, we have to get back to basic. Remember that politics is illusion of choice. You choose one thing and you still get everything that you don't want. Therefore, listen to nothing that they're saying. Prepare yourself. We are native, we are rough, we are tough. The river, the water is free. We're just lazy and we let them regulate that water and sell us back the water. By the way, the water company in Jamaica is not even owned by Jamaica. So people, how can other people come and regulate the water and tell you that you have water shortage? Go back to the river. I remember the days we were washing. So I go back to basic and see that lady there, don't take her little body light. She's a fucking roughneck. Excuse my language. She's a roughneck. Yes, man, you see how she a rough up it thing? Jamaican woman, remember, you know, man, we naturally coarse and tough. We have the ability to move away from their regulated chlorine water with poison and also their electricity. No, it's a mind game. They're playing on your mind. They're gonna hold it for a long while. So I'm here teaching you people, reminding you people the days when we wash at the river and use a string or hang some clothes on some trees. We have to go back to this. This is the true intention, my people. Yes, so we want for day, because at the end of the day, who is totally, where were we before? Why we get so comfortable with the internet? Why we get so comfortable with the so-called machines? Look at this. Yeah, man, and then after this hard work, of course, we are native, we can cut a bamboo, we see a coconut in a tree. Yeah, man, we must can shape up a bamboo. Again, the man them a turn mannequin, we not even know if use machete anymore. And when the difficulty come upon us, like now, look, the bamboo crotch too soft. So the thing could fix the bamboo, he could pick the coconut. So what you may have to do? Me have to improvise. That is what we are created for. We find solution for problem as a Jamaican. Me don't tell you now, we are the true Atlantians. We are at the Atlantis. So people, watch them now, me a be like crotchy tick. You see that? Yeah, man, I realize the work boy want a band. Same time I look across the free, guess what me find? No piece of wire, the perfect fit. You get me? And watch and see if coconut now if you come down now and look on the man and you can see the strength in it. The man and you know fine on their foot and their foot fine on their hand. No vein protruding because you're not doing any work. We should have the work for what we eat. Now get to relax, else when the system take away what they have given to you, you're gonna lose your mind mentally. The internet, the service, the current, the water we they regulate when not good for you already. Watch them. You know see that? You see that? Watch coconut a come down. Yeah, man, coconut number 1 and coconut number 2 they come down because guess what? We have the strength in our butt, my friend. We just, when we put to the test. You understand? Men learn to chop a coconut again, man. Yes, man. See there, me a wipe off the pint of the machete if you don't understand the part there. Yeah, man, because the pint of the machete was dirty. And see it there? Yes. And we have to respect the person who made them videos here. Yeah, man, we have to make she feel welcome. Yeah, man, because everybody is important. And see it there, the seed bearer is there drinking one as well. Watch there. Him man have strength in a hand so till watch a coconut a spin like our dear man. We have access to everything. So be careful. We are not weak over here, man. Likewise, yourself. Drink a coconut, man, in a nature, man. Put on back your foot pan the soil, man. May we KTV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic aid system, circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system